Hello students, welcome back. So in the previous two exercises we have done the equations where the variable is only on one side. But now we will do those equations where the variable is on both the sides of the equation. As you can see here, 3x equals to 2x plus 18. So here variable is on left hand side also and variable is on right hand side also. We'll start with the exercise because solving will not be a big problem. So question says solve the following equations and check your results. Now this is the part which you have to take care. You have to check your result also. After solving the equation, you have to check whether your result is true, right or wrong. So let's begin. Now the first question says 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So in order to solve this, what we will do? We will try to bring the variables on the same side. So like 2x is here on the right side, we will move it to left side. And by doing this, what do we get? We get 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. Now this is the value what you get. So 3x minus 2x. Now what is 3x minus 2x? 3 minus 2 is 1. So 3x minus 2x is x equals to 18. So you get the variable, the value of x as 18. Now here, this is the answer. This is the solution. But what you have to do, you have also to check your result, that is verify your result. So verifying the result is known as verification. So here now we will verify whether this result which we are getting, is it true, is it right or wrong. So in that case what we will do, we will put value of x. We will put the value of x as 18, both sides. Both sides of equation. So on both the sides of the equation, that is even in the left hand side and even in the right hand side, we will substitute the value of x as 18. So what do we get? It is 3x. So it is 3 multiply 18 equals to 2x means 2 multiply 18, because value of x we are going to take it as 18, and then plus 18. Now what is 3 multiply 18? 18 3 times is 54, whereas 18 2 times is 36 and plus 18. So you get 54 equals to 54, because 36 plus 18 is also 54. So we see here that left hand side is equal to right hand side. We get both the sides equal. Now if both the sides are equal, it means that our result is verified. We have checked the result. Then right there, hence verified. Hope it is clear to you how you have to going to verify the results. Now let us move towards the second question. The second question is the equation given to you, 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. Now in the first equation on left hand side you had only the term with variable. You didn't have constant value. But now you have constant on both the sides and variables also on both the sides. So what we will do? We will interchange both the terms. We will bring this 3t, we will transpose this term from right to left and minus 3 from left to right. variables on one side and constants to the other side. So 5t. Now 3t, when you move it or transpose it to the left side, it becomes minus 3t equals to, now what is left here? You are left with minus 5, and this minus 3, when you transpose it to the left side, it becomes plus 3. So now simplify it. 5t minus 3t. 5 minus 3 is 2. So you get 2t equals to minus 5 plus 3. Now these are integers. Minus 5 plus 3 gives you minus 2. So 2t is equal to minus 2. Then t equals to minus 2 upon 2. So minus 2 upon 2. Simplifying, what you get? You get the value of t as minus 1. Now we will verify the result. So verification, what we will do? We will put value of t. Variable is t. So value of t equals to minus 1 in both sides of equation. Now if you put minus t on both the sides of the equation, see, one thing what we have done here is we have solved both left hand side and right hand side together. Instead of this, you can even take it one by one. First let us take left hand side. The left hand side is 5t minus 3, and in this left hand side now substitute the value. 5 multiply t, what is t? T is minus 1. So 5 multiply minus 1 and minus 3. So what is 5 multiply minus 1? It is minus 5 and minus 3. Now what is minus 5 minus 3? It is minus 8. Now you can take the right hand side. So what is right hand side? It is 3t minus 5. So 3t minus 5 means 3 multiply t, and what is t? It is minus 1. So 3 multiply minus 1 and minus 5. Now 3 multiply minus 1 is minus 3 minus 5, and this is equal to minus 8. So you can see here that left hand side the value is minus 8, right hand side the value is minus 8. Therefore left hand side is equals to right hand side, and if both the sides are equal, then it means we have verified our result and it is right. So this is your second question. Now let's move towards the third part, the third question of this. Now the third question is 5x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x. Again you see here there are variables on both the sides, there are constants on both the sides. So again we are going to solve it the same way. So what we will do? We will transpose 3x from right to left. On the right hand side it is plus 3x. So here it becomes minus 3x, and you are left with 5 on the right side. Now this plus 9 from left hand side will be transposed to right hand side. So plus 9 on the other side will become minus 9. Now 5x minus 3x, it is 2x equals to 5 minus 9, it is minus 4. Be careful about the signs, positive, negative. You have to be careful. Don't make any mistake in this. Now 2x means 2 multiply x. This 2 when taken to the other side will be divided. So x equals to minus 4 upon 2. Now 4 divided by 2 is 2 and there is a sign of minus also. So x equals to minus 2. Now this is the value which we get. Now the part which is to be done, that is verification. So let us verify the result also. So in verification, what will be done? We will put value of x as minus 2 in both sides of equation. Now if you put the value of minus 2 in the equation, then let us check what values do we get on both the sides. So left hand side it is 5x plus 9, means 5 multiply minus 2 plus 9. Now what is 5 multiply minus 2? It is minus 10 plus 9, it gives you minus 1. So left hand side the value is minus 1. Right hand side it is 5 plus 3x. So 5 plus 3 multiply x, the value of x is minus 2. So you get it as 5. Now plus 3 multiply minus 2 is minus 6 and 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So here also you see that left hand side is equal to right hand side and hence verified. So hence our result is verified. So in this way, just try to solve the remaining part of this exercise. Though we will discuss the solution for each part. We'll meet again. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you all. Jai Hind.